Wait until you see what Sea Ray can pack into 32 feet. I'm Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts. Welcome aboard the Sea Ray 32 Sundancer. Today we are aboard Nauti Gills, a 2021 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer powered with outboards. This is the upgraded engine package in the Mercury 250 horsepower Verados, giving you plenty of speed to get up on plane and great performance when you're out there on the water. As you can see, the entire boat is covered with this SeaDek, nice soft flooring to give you extra comfort when you're out on the water, also knocks down a lot of the heat, and we've got it all the way up on the gunnels as well, so you've got nothing but comfort throughout this entire boat. As you walk into the main cockpit, you can see I've got a big wraparound L-shaped seat, also in this nice stone color from Sea Ray, a nice high-low table, which does have a filler cushion, so if you put the other insert in, you can lay this table down and put a filler cushion on top and gives you an additional space to be able to lounge under the sun. And if it's too hot of a day, this boat is also equipped with its aft sure shade as well. So with just a touch of the button, and with the size of this shade, it not only protects all of your guests wrapped around the table, but it also does extend well beyond to your swim platform. So if you've got people standing on the back of the boat, they also have additional shade. As we mentioned, packed full of features in the 32 Sundancer. On the starboard side, you have your Kenyon electric cooktop grill, vessel sink, and a refrigerator, as well as a trash receptacle. So everything you need on board for entertaining. And one of the biggest highlight features about this specific Sundancer is not only the upgraded power, but this is the full coupe glass enclosure, giving you weather protection all year long, and it also is equipped with cockpit air conditioning, so you get nice cold AC blowing on your guests, as well as a vent at the helm for the captain. Here at the helm, you do have twin Simrad multifunction displays that are touchscreen. This, a very unique option for this boat that was installed aftermarket, is you also have a bow thruster. So not only do you have your joystick with your digital throttle and shift, skyhook technology, but you also have a bow thruster for added comfort when you're up around the dock. Helm seat is double wide with two individual flip down bolsters, and it is on an adjustable track, so if you needed to fine tune your adjustment to make you comfortable, you have that option. On the opposing side is a two-way backrest. So if you have a day where you're just entertaining and you want guests to be able to face backwards, push it into its forward-facing position and you have a double-wide seat facing forward. With that coupe design, as I mentioned, with the full glass enclosure, little pull of the pin, you can close that windshield off, lock it back in place, and then you also have a door that'll close off to keep you completely isolated if you get caught in a storm or you just wanted to keep this area nice and cool with the air conditioning blowing. 2 steps up to the bow. A great feature is here molded into the floor is a drain in the deck. So if you do have some weather up front and you have water working its way into the floor, this will catch all the water so it's not coming down into the cockpit. And as we work our way forward, obviously the best seat in the house. You have a triple wide bow lounge seat with flip down armrest, adjustable headrest, and you have your own stereo control here as well. So you could isolate this zone, play your own music, and have your own party up here. And what I like is you've got a nice high bow rail that works all the way around for added safety. And again, that SeaDek material runs all the way up into the bow, and you can tell it just knocks a lot of that heat down, and it's really soft under your feet. Being that we do have outboards, your bilge area is going to be additional storage and also where your generator, batteries, and through-hole access is, which is all stowed conveniently under this aft seat. Check this out. This is also where your dedicated storage is for your cockpit table. So you've got a nice padded sleeve to be able to slide your table in, keep it out of the way of everything. And again, nice open space for additional water toys if you wanted to leave down there. But as you look down and around, everything's cleanly labeled, nice and laid out, good access to all of your pumps, all of your batteries, and of course your Westerbeek generator to power your air conditioning on board. So we've touched on all of the outside entertaining features and the comfort that this boat has, but also you've got a cabin down below that sleeps 4 comfortably. So come inside and take a look at the cabin space inside the Sundancer. As you work your way down into the cabin, you've got traction control on your steps that lead down into your lower accommodations. And your forward V-berth, that table has been upgraded to be a power table, so it is on a high-low actuator, so if you wanted to drop it down, as you see now, it is in its full V-berth form to be able to sleep 2 adults comfortably. Bring that table up, and you can actually have a settee and be able to have a meal downstairs in the comfort of the air conditioning. You have an additional refrigerator, you have a microwave, nice lighting down below, and then as you see in your mid-berth, with these beds split, you have the ability to sleep 2 separately, but these beds will also slide together to create an additional full berth for 2 additional people. And this boat is equipped with a wet head, so you do have a plumb toilet. It really is incredible what Sea Ray can pack into, again, 32 feet of boat. And if you have a nice day like today, open up the sunroof and enjoy what boating is supposed to be all about. Again, my name is Chris Wenstrom, and feel free to give me a call if you have any questions or would like to see this boat in person.